Hello friends, welcome to my channel ATALL. Today I'm going to show you a real life project. You can make it for your use or you can show it in your school, college like a project. Well, I will suggest you to first watch basics. So I have a playlist. You can use that I button to go there. This is our project. So what is this? This is temperature controlled fan system. There is two modes. First one is automatic mode and second one is manual mode. In automatic mode, the speed of this fan is controlled automatically based on temperature, and in manual mode you can control this fan with this potentiometer. Well, there is a switch. You can use this switch to shift between these two modes, and there is two LEDs. These LEDs will indicate in which mode presently our system is, and there is a OLED display. This is 0.96 inch display. Well, you can use any size. So here you will get the temperature, and in second line you will see the speed of this fan, and in third line you will see presently in which mode our system is. Guys, I really want to give you new projects regularly, but for that I need your support. So please subscribe this channel to support me. Now let's see how to make this project. Let's go.